KK gang, it's your girl KK and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing this wonderful look for you guys, and it's the sunflower inspired look, because you know the yellow, the green, you know, sunflowers, you know, I came up with a look, so that's what I'm gonna do. I hope you guys like this look. Like, I like it a lot, so I hope you do. And I'm gonna show you guys how, you know, how I got ready and all this, because the next clip you will see how I'll look before I do all this. So before I start with this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because I want you guys to be part of this family, the KK gang, the KK gang, KK gang. You can hold your like and comment until the end of the video if you want, you know, because you don't know what I'm gonna do. So yeah, if you want to, you can go ahead and hold it if you want, or you can do it now. Yeah. And turn your post notifications so you can know when I post my new videos. I post it like every week, so yeah. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, like always, I'm gonna start out with the primer, and I'm just gonna prime my face with this e.l.f. primer, and just put it all over my face. And yes, I know I look different from the clip before when I was doing the intro and stuff, but that was a wig, guys. You know, it wasn't a sew-in. It was a cheap wig that I don't wear out because it's cheap, and I just got it for, you know, YouTube. But that's why I used a scarf, and that scarf was a t-shirt. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in the end. But yeah, so after I prime my face, I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation, and I'm gonna be using two foundations. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal True Match, and I'm gonna use the Fit Me Maybelline. The Maybelline is in the color Cappuccino, and the L'Oreal is in the cool color tan, nut brown. That's what it is. Before I go in with the foundation, I'm gonna color correct, and I'm doing this lightly this time because sometimes when I do it, I'll overdo it. Put it where my dark spots at. Y'all, I know y'all can see my dark spots. Everywhere my dark spots show up at. All right, so I did it color correct, and I'm gonna just go in with my foundation. Next is the brows. I'm just gonna be using a simple brow pencil, and just gonna brush it out first. All right, got my concealer, and time to conceal the brows. All right, I'm done the brows, and they look like fucking trash right now, but we're not gonna even talk about that right now. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Next thing is the eyes. We're using this, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. Okay, I think that's good enough, so I'm gonna go back in with the light concealer. Oh, that's too much. And just cut my crease. All right, after I cut my crease, I'm gonna go in with this yellow right here, and just, you know, go over the part I cut. All right, so after I did the yellow, I'm just gonna get my glitter glue, and I'm gonna go in with this gold looking glitter, and I'm just put it on the crease, the line crease. I'm gonna show you because I can't explain. I don't think it's the right color glue, y'all. I really don't. Yup, it was this color, y'all. This color glitter. And then that's it so far for the eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm done with the eyes. All right, I'm done at eyes for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my concealer. Powder time, setting my face. Time to set the face, time to set the face, time to set the face. Contour, shade and light palette. Time to tap powder off. I'm gonna spray my face to take away the dryness from the setting. Now I'm gonna do under my lower lash line. I'm gonna do the green color. I think we're gonna use this one or that one. I think it's that one most likely. Yeah, that one. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. And before I do my lips, I want to put some lip gloss on because my lips are dry, like always. And for my lips, I'm doing green, and I'm going to be using the eyeshadow because I don't have green lipstick, okay? So I'm going to go make this work. All right, my lips are done. Now it's time for the highlight, which is the last thing, so highlight time. I'm just going to use the Liquid Glow highlight. And then I'm gonna go over the highlight with this other highlight, and it's by Kat Von D, and it's a holographic palette. It looks old. I'm gonna use the green emerald highlight color. Ooh, too much. All right, last but not least, it's the spray. All right, the makeup part of this look is finished. Now it's time for the hair look, because who's going out like this? Not me, okay? So first I'm gonna get this cheap wig that I brought off of Amazon. Hey, it's cheap, but it looks the part on the camera, okay? I'm not wearing it out, so whatever. Cheap as hell. Cheap ass wig. Y'all see this shit? This looks so fucking cheap. Look, I can't even get the brush through it. Cheap ass wig. And that part is not gonna do. You see that? That look like trash. Trashy wig. All right. Now that I got that, I'm going to put use this t-shirt as a head wrap. I'm trying to show you guys how I do it. Oh, I got makeup on. I forgot about that. So you just put it, your head through it like this. This is so ghetto, but whatever. Should I use this one or the other one? I'll use this one. I'm just gonna twist it. Twist, twist, twist. All that spatula hair all on my face. I'm trying to keep this shit on my head without it coming off. So, hold on, y'all. Bear with me. Just use this hair piece to keep it on. Look at that, y'all. See? This is nothing I will wear out. No, this wig is not gonna do. This head wrap not gonna do. You need a real scarf. Not if you can wear this wig out, get a real scarf, okay? That's not gonna work. But yeah. So this is the finished look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I go ahead, hit the subscribe button, like and comment. And yeah. Slow motion. Oh my god, I can't believe this, y'all. I did this. I did it. Yes, this video was a success. I love this look. I really do. I don't think I would wear it out though. It's good for fashion. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys really like this video, and I hope this video made you want to come back and see more. Because if that did, then go ahead, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you know when I post my next video. Like and comment this video, share it, do everything, guys. I would really appreciate you for doing them things. I can't talk right now, but yeah, I would really appreciate y'all subscribing and anything. Like, comment, share. Yeah. So, oh yeah, before I go, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, because that's where I update everyone, like when I'm posting my videos, what I'm gonna do, suggestions, you know, little polls and everything. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.